Hello everyone! I-share ko lang guys yung beautiful gift ko from my daughter. My Mother's Day gift. I-share ko lang guys. Thanks always for watching. Guys, i-share ko lang yung Mother's Day gift ko na mango from my daughter, Yumi-chan. Arigato. Yan guys, oh. Mother's Day gift. Miyazaki mango. Ito ang tawag dyan is tayo no tamago daw ang brand ng mango na to. Ito guys. This is a Japanese mango from Yamazaki. Miyazaki pala. Miyazaki. Japanese mango here in Japan in Miyazaki. Guys, ang mahal yan ang alam ko. It's worth isang lapad ata.